birthday of si Yaya Joy. We're visiting a friend in Oxford, so you should come with me through this video. Of course, we're changing the accent because we're here in London. Okay, umihi muna tayo dahil ang lamig. Kaya't may at maya ang ihi ko dito. Bakit siya busy? Kasi nandito din yung mga overground train, not just the tube. Bakit siya busy? Because nandito din yung mga overground train, not just the underground train or tube. Pupunta tayo sa coach dahil yung sasakyan natin papuntang Oxford. Hey guys, ito yung sasakyan ko going to Oxford. I bought a ticket in advance.
Seated until the coach stops.
So guys, after 2 hours, we arrived at Oxford. Guys, we're here in Oxford. It's raining today, but actually there's really a forecast of rain. But anyway, welcome to England. It's always raining here. We're back to Oxford after 2 years. I really love Oxford because of the university vibe. Guys, so behind me is Christ Church University. It's one of the must-see places here in Oxford. So guys, finally, nakita na rin kami, yes, ng aking binibisita dito sa Oxford. This is my okay, guys, I'm leaving London already, and I'm leaving my friend again, Liam, here, who is a local here in Oxford. Bye! Bye. Enjoy! Guys, it's 12:30 AM here na in London. It's 10 degrees, kaya naka-bonnet at scarf na ako. Buti na lang ready ako. But it feels like 4 degrees. It took me more than 1.5 hours going back from Oxford. Mas mabilis kasi walang traffic. But of course, I live in Kingston. That's zone 2 or malayo siya sa central London. Kaya ngayon nag-aabang ako ng bus. Sumakay ako ng underground train. Dami ko nasakyan yun. Train, bus. Pero dito matapang ang kita nyo na mag-commute kahit alanganin na ng oras. It's because it's safer here in London to commute.